Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. Marcel and I this morning are back in New Hope, Trelawney. The last time I did the introduction, we did say it's Warsaw, but it's actually New Hope in Trelawney. And we are again visiting Miss Alicia, and that's a lady who is blind and has 6 children. So we're just visiting her this morning, bringing her some item of clothing for her children, some food, and have a little talk with her because the last time we were here she did not get to finish her story. So stay with us, and do remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel so once we post you'll be updated. All right, let's get into it. Hi, good morning. Hi baby, good morning. Where's the other foot slippers? Miss Alice, how you do? Hi, Miss John.
Morning.
Oh Lord. Oh. Okay. So no, but we passed because we were calling and never got any response.
Okay.
Yeah, man, it did early when we were calling.
You know, we get up every morning 5 o'clock and have devotion prayer.
Oh.
Wake up like 2, study the Bible and pray and still. Then we go back to sleep. We have to go out, we go to when we have to come back home. Okay, I see. Yes, man, so we're here. You hear I'm talking on your breath? That oh, you guys manage those steps.
Used to it.
You love it.
And sometimes I take my time exercise, go down there. And Jory lead me and me go down there and come back up, you know.
Who you call Jory?
The baby.
The baby?
Yeah, she would hold me and I carry me down there.
Oh.
Honestly, to ask Jaden, we can't do it right now and you see Jory lead me go down there.
Yes, because she going.
Yeah.
She will take time, step down and hold me and I follow her and just go down there and come back.
Alright.
Oh, wow. So where's your son?
Jaden.
Hi, Jaden. Good morning.
Jaden. Miss Mitchell say morning.
You alright?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So Miss Alicia, we come this morning bearing some gifts.
Yeah.
But I know the last time we were here, you never got to finish your story. So we have to come back so you can finish your story. And then we have somewhat of some good news for you in terms of your son. But you can start to share your story first.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Hi everybody. Good morning. And you know, you have to put God first in everything. So, may I start off by Father God with put Him first.
Yes.
And that. So, all right. Basically, my story never ended. So, all right. From there, I remember one time I was in St. Elizabeth. All right. When we go by one of my cousins asked me to come by and stay with her in one bar. So anyway, I say, all right, I did have a little 13-year-old at that time. She was like 2 years old to 1 plus.
Do you remember your age at that time?
At time I was honestly I don't even remember, but I was pretty young anyway.
Okay.
So I went by and I go down there. Anyway, you know bar thing go. When I did it, you know, man I go come and all of that. So my cousin now did I talk to this youth, and anyway I remember this gentleman used to come by the bar and so forth, and sometimes me win drink and something anyways. So when me done then up on my phone, me never have nothing to do with anything, and me walk out to the bar. Me see one man run me down. So me run the bar, they have one restaurant and one grocery shop around this side. So me run in the restaurant and when me drop sideways, my phone drop on the ground. So me up on the ground, me see the man lifting my shit. So when the man start, me say, oh God, I'm going to could have said, look how me dead. The man start, God tip it off for me and put it on my phone first. The man start trap up my phone and I peep up myself. So me peep up myself, me get panic out. No one next man run off him and he run over the roadside and run. So from there, so like, me did like my mother that said, come up please, and me say, mommy, me not, cause me did a call to this youth and me say, me did fall in love with him, honestly, and me never want to come up. So, we down there, and when we down there now, many youth start to talk it, and then me and him start to talk, then I come home. Like from that, I come back home.
Alright, so let me just for clarification, because in the first part of the video, I remember you said that, you know, when you first ran away from home, it was to Mandeville in a place called Grove Place, and then you would have gone to Westmoreland.
Yes.
Then I know you mentioned also that you had a situation where you had to go to Montego Bay.
Yes.
So at what point during this, because I know you said that you would have come back home too. So at what point did you go to St. Elizabeth?
At one point, I go to St.
At what point? Was it after, during that time when you went to Mandeville, went to Westmoreland?
No, that point was before. I believe I went to Mandeville first before I got to St. Elizabeth. Okay, so I do I run we go to Mandeville first, then Westmoreland, and then Montego Bay, and then St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So what? Because through the different experiences that you have been talking about, I realize that a lot of the times the situations have to do with you, you know, either being hit by somebody, being chased by somebody, you know, it's always something quite chaotic. What do you think accounts for all of this happening? What do you think about it? You know, just always being faced with these different challenges.
How I feel?
Yeah, like, or what you think cause, you know, this type of situation where at one point you say, you know, you're hit in the face and that would have contributed to you, you know, being visually impaired. At some point you mentioned somebody chopping after you with a machete. I think you say it's a baby father. Right. So I'm seeing all these incidents that has been happening to you. What you think about them or what may have contributed, if anything, to it?
All right. I would say the way how I've been cheating and all me, as me say, I just did want somebody who will show like care about me. Love. So all of that, because of that, I look like fine, and because of the treatment at home first caused me on the road, because the type of treatment when me get from some of my family, they may have 1 and 2 you know, were good to me, because always I run and I talk to other man, you know, just because, you know, that love them, me I try for settle myself. So through that now me get a lot of abuse, physically and, you know, sexually abused from man.
So in seeking comfort, it's like you're, you know, ending up in the wrong places.
Yes, all the time. Yes, because I remember one time when in Montego Bay, another part of my bay, in Salt Spring, and I went there. And when I went there, things start to get. Me did I work with my cousin, and things start get tight. It's like me did work in a one bar down there. Me never get paid that time. So I remember this lady. She always look good. I ever admire her, and me tell her, say, you know, so me check her, me say, me don't have no fear for going, and she say, come wash some shoes to me, Lisa. And I went there because I really want the fear, just 1,000 I want to come up. So I go down there, I wash the shoes them fair, and she give me 2 ice sneakers out of the shoes them. And me didn't, she never give me no money, so I said, boy, the money me did want, you know. Anyway, I take his shoes and I appreciate it, and I say thanks. So anyway, I did I say, when I go get my fear, because I want to come out of the community and come up back. When I go down, when I down there, I see some boy, some big adult, bigger than me, in the day. So I go to one of them and I call him and I say, you can't beg you one fear for go up. And he said to me, and I said to God, he said, he would have given me but the other way. So anyway, I didn't tell him I didn't want the money, so he opened the door and he called me. I'm going to the house and I'm on the bed like, when he like him, I go there with me, him look and say I'm sorry for me. Because when I look, I say other man like about 5 of them are coming for like there with me one time, you know. So you must say no dog, no make we do it. And him just sorry for me and give me 1,000. I'm thank him and I just come up.
And since then, no, you come back home, you never ventured out again.
And you see, it's just some of them I don't even remember.
You don't remember?
Yeah, I remember with the out with my eye with Kaylee, my daughter. I remember I did a tattoo on this youth from Falmouth side. And I remember I bring Kaylee there with me. And I kind of realized say youth obsessed with me. No, because no obsession is not love. So indeed they don't want me to talk to my stepfather. My stepfather did it close by. Even when I live with my mother up at community up at Manchester, and they are Falmouth back and forth and have a house down there with the end there. So if no want me to go over my stepfather's house, none at all. He want me to stay in the house and socialize with my stepbrother them. So one day me did them, I come on my stepbrother here. Him even say must come it and I come it and I go over the house. I go over there. He's like him start text my phone and say anyone wanna come back, him I go burn my clothes. And I near me talking, so I did me ignore him. So in the night I call Kaylee, because Kaylee my daughter they afraid of him too. So when I go back over there in the night, my friend say lock the door. I say pull the door such and such, pull the door, I want to come in. Him inside him not answer till anyway, I look at that I must start puff up and frown so until when the door pull the youth run out and take him machete and have it up under my daughter neck. And I said, Jesus Christ. Honestly, I say, really? I'm frightened, you know, because we hold him machete. I say, why you do that? Him start saying, don't know why I'm do that and sorry. And him give me daughter one little phone. I try for manipulate her and I say, Lisa, done with it, please. Please, maybe get done with it until my stepfather the morning. I pack up my things and I go leave, but him did never want me. He hold on for my things and something and I cry, so I don't feel left. And I say, I go left. So when he get up that man and he go and work, and I say, okay, I try so we can hurry up and come out. Sometimes I go over a shop next door and I explain to a lady who live there. He said, Lisa, you need to go up because youth obsessed. He mash up his father's house and he will kill you. And you pick me and I say, alright, I go away. And as I go pack up my clothes, I see you come. My stepfather called and said, Lisa, come go on in your yard because you make your boy kill watch your baby father picnic, you know your baby father and so on. But there's a thing I listen and I go up and same time I come and him start, my stepfather start quarrel with him and say, oh, if you do that, him start to say no, oh, he never did that, go do no and whatever. And so for it now, my stepfather didn't know at that time I get the chance now for move. So I take up my things and I get a drive and come and Falmouth and then I come up.
Okay. Okay. So where are you now? In how are you feeling now? In terms of everything that would have happened, and since then I know that you would have changed your life because you are now a Christian.
All right.
Right.
All right. How I feel, and honestly to God, now I still get traumatized from my past. Like if people. Me get for bring back memory to my past, like how people cheat me. You know that I always put me back in the past and like me I explain myself to somebody when I get depressed from there, depression. I start feel weak and I remember back everything that happened to me. You know, so that is how I feel. I feel bad. Even though sometimes I still say God, things coming on my thoughts sometimes I can't confuse. I can't even focus in a devotion because I remember what things in my brain. So distraction and all of that. Yes, so it did affect me and it really affect me mentality, honestly.
Yes. So now you have changed your life, and I just have to mention this because I know that it's something that you're uncomfortable with. So if at any time you don't want to respond in any way, you can just let us know. But I know that you have some tattoos, and I know when we just came here, you talked to us about, regretting that you had actually, put on their tattoos on because now you don't want, so you mostly try to conceal them because you're not proud of it.
No.
Talk to us about that.
All right. Back in the young, when I was pretty young, like the tattoos now, I never really know about tattoo. I just see it and I like it. So more when I go up on the internet and I see something when I like it, which I don't understand about it. So I will follow a friend sometime and go on tattoo shop and get my tattoo done, So like now in my time now me I serve God, say me not really like see them. Honestly to God, when I see them I feel away. Me even go up on the road, I have to cover myself. And then wear they can me I say, alright, and even though the word of God saying your ignorance if God winks at us, So when you understand sorry about that and you never know, God will forgive you and so forth. So now I don't tell no lie, I regret it. I regret say me put it on, but in one other point, me I say probably tattoo now lead me to one other side, same way. Understand? So
Yes. All right. Just had to talk about that because I know how you feel about it.
Yes.
What God looks at the heart.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So is there any advice you would give to you would have now that you would give to younger persons who may be experiencing similar things that you went through in terms of the family structure and younger persons who tend to want to run away from home? Any advice based on your experience and where you are now that you could give to them? That could maybe shape a different path for your life?
Okay, I would advise many of these young people, the runaway thing, it doesn't make sense. You understand? It better you stay and you make God work out your situation and your circumstances.
Yes.
And I would advise them to just stick to God and even go to school and learn, and get some skill, because running the pan road, it does make you go and lose your life.
Yes.
And then everybody out there have the luck to come back home. So and I say to God, I try to tell all the young people, them say it better them just do the right thing, because it's easy out there. Easy because we out there, you get yourself in a jeopardy being like man. deal with a certain way, and that will grow up and affect their mentality. That's why I see most of them kill themselves, because the pressure and them think about things that happen to them.
Yes.
So they basically, say affect their mentality. And many of us cannot manage the pressure.
Yes.
And that's time when it comes. Yes.
All right, well said, well said.
Yeah.
All right, Alicia, so a number of things would have happened since the first time we did the interview, because you would have mentioned that your son not in school, would have started the process of checking out, Troy High School, realizing that what you said is just a release letter that is needed, but school is currently on break.
Okay.
So once they receive that letter, then you can be in school. So that part is pretty much just taken care of.
Yes.
So it's just to get that letter, bring it to the new school, and then you can start immediately.
Okay.
All right, so that part is taken care of.
Okay.
All right, and we'd have brought you some things this morning.
Okay.
And before we tell you, what we'd have brought, I have to say thank you to all our donors who are always supporting us, and in particular this morning, 2 donors who would have sent us barrels with food and clothes, and we want to say a big thank you. They wish to remain anonymous, so you know yourselves. We just want to say thank you, big up, may God continue to bless you so you can bless others continuously. All right, and we are more than grateful. All right, so out of that, Alicia, we were able to bring you a little food package, and today is Good Friday, so we drop in a bun and piece of cheese. All right, so we have that for you, and then we have some clothes for the baby and some for Jaden. All right, so we have the packages over here, so when we're finished, we can go through them. We're not gonna go into it right now. All right, so that's pretty much it, and we continue to make a plea on your behalf, because tell us about that situation that you would have mentioned regarding the letter that you're to take to the hospital clinic.
Okay, all right. Basically, I've been to Falmouth in one of those private doctors. One of my aunts living in Kinglass, Clarkstown. When I went there, I never went with the intention to go to doctor, because I always say, I don't really have money. I'm not really pressure pastor more, because I do as much for me.
Yes.
So when I went there, I was using the natural remedy in my eye them. So my auntie, it's like when she passed me, she said, "No, Lisa, you see me," and I said, "Auntie, honestly, I'm not going to tell no lie on my eye and my vision. We see it's shadow, but say it's cloudy."
Yes.
She said, "Lisa, I feel like if I go back at doctor and go test back your eye," and I say, "Auntie Jan, I really go, but me not having money."
Yes.
Even though say you have to trust God same way.
Absolutely.
So I did it, and she said, "All right, I go call up a couple of people and see if they can send you something." So my auntie call a couple of my family them, and them send with them for send, and I take it, and she bring me go Falmouth. So I'm go Falmouth at the private place now. I'm go inside, kind of figure out the doctor kind of like me and the way how me talk to people. So basically, me did it, and she call me, my auntie bring me inside. So my auntie bring me inside, and she looking at my eye. She asked me some question, and I answer, and she put me on the machine. So when she looking at my pupil now, she said, "Alicia," and they say one of your pupil dark, and the right eye, the infection already covered the pupil. In that time, it never fully covered, and so forth. She said already covered, and then she gave me a prescription for fill, in which 2 eye drops and some antibiotic.
Yes.
So she gave me a prescription to repeat it. So come up back, and we give God thanks. Even though I give Him thanks at that first moment when I did it, and so forth, and I come up, and I never did a cry, I never feel no way when she tell me about my eye. I just did it, and I still around me joke with her, and she say, say, honestly, like she tell me, say, say, I want a little girl have faith, do her. Basically, you can know people talking. Yeah. So I did it, I'm come up and thing, and I come back up here. So from here now, I go fill the prescription, I come back, and she tell me, if I come back such and such a time, the appointment when I get. Go back down there now, and I never bring as much money. When I bring the money for the appointment, because it was $6,500 just for the appointment.
Right.
Differently from the medication, in there. So when I went by, it's like one spirit I said, "Lisa, I believe said she not go." She like the spirit I said, she not go charge you, honestly. I did hear me listen to a Likkle voice in my head that talk to me. And then I get up and I go and I pray before I go down there. My time now, she called me, I gave her come in, my auntie bring me in. She looking at my vision, in my eye. She said, "Lisa, And I said the infection improved. There is not too much, but the pupil cover now completely. I said, wow. So I did there, and she said, you know, so I'm not even like a charge you. Such a pretty little girl. I just like you. And she tell my auntie said, who could it be but God?
Yes.
And the same money now for the appointment, me use it and make it up. And my auntie go over the pharmacy and just fill the prescription. So I get some other different antibiotic with the 2 next eye drops. Same eye drops.
Yes.
Yeah, if I'm there now, I come up back.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So now you have. You also told me that you have a letter.
Yeah, the letter. I have a form now to bring in Mandeville. So from there, they supposed to give me to. Go back. She sent me back. To the head doctor in Mandeville. She said, bring the letter, and just from there, then I'm gonna give you an appointment, and if you do it quick, you don't have to wait and do an ultrasound on your eye. Okay. So from there, I think that she said probably I'm gonna send me go Yui. Yes, from there.
Okay, yeah. But you have a little delay because since the time you would have gotten that letter, you say it's about 3 to 4 weeks ago.
Yes.
All right. So you need help to. Financial help, of course.
Yes.
So you can travel into Mandeville to go do that X-ray.
Yes.
And then you can get the result, and then I guess from there on you'll know what else, what steps to take.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so just want to make a plea again on behalf of Alicia, that because you heard her story. So if there's any way you can assist her, and you heard she mentioned about the medical, the letter that she has to bring into Mandeville. So she is currently in need of some monetary assistance. So if you are able to, just reach out to us at 876-512-4055. All right, and then we can have further conversation. All right, Alicia?
Right.
Okay. All right, so that is it for now.
You don't really want to sing one local song, you know.
Go ahead.
All right. Ready?
Yeah, man.
Lord, take me back to the place where I found you. It's been so hard trying to make it on my own, but I need your direction just to make the right selection. Oh Lord, take my hand, lift me up and let me stand, for His blood will carry me all the way. Thank you.
Yes, man. Oh my God, Lisa, may I have to hug you. I really do admire your strength, honestly. And I'm praying, you see, that God will bring you through all of this.
Okay.
You know, nothing lasts forever. It never gives us more than we can bear. Yes, so, you know, I trust and I have faith that you will be healed. Yes, man. And one day you'll have a testimony further to share with people, you know. So we're just looking forward to that. And I love your personality.
Thank you.
Despite what is happening, you're upbeat and everything, you know, and that is awesome.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for always being here, for always supporting us. Big up to our donors who sent us the barrels. As a result of your help, we are able to feed more people. And you know, normally we feed people and we have a little difficulty sometimes, but with your help, thank God, we are able to give more people. So Marcel, just tell me now. So guys, Marcel is correcting me now, telling or reminding me rather to say it's not just food but clothes as well. So as a result of our donors with the barrels, we are able to now give more clothes and give more food and give more people. So thank you so much. God bless you. May your store baskets never be empty. Thank you everybody for always making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, bye bye, and be safe.